On a quiet evening, as the sun began to set, a man found himself on a deserted street, frantically searching for his lost key. He meticulously combed the area under the warm glow of a street lamp, hoping to catch a glimmer of his beloved key. As he fervently rummaged through the shadows, another person happened to pass by, observing the man's determined search. Curiosity sparked within them, and they approached the man, asking, "Excuse me, sir, I noticed you searching diligently. Could you kindly tell me where you dropped your key?" Startled, the man looked up, his eyes meeting the compassionate gaze of the passerby. He sighed with a touch of frustration and replied, "I lost my key somewhere in the darkness beyond the reach of this street lamp. But the light is better here, so I search where I can see." The passerby listened attentively, their eyes filled with empathy. With a gentle smile, they offered a different perspective. Sometimes in life we search for solutions where it is most convenient, even if it may not lead us to the answers we seek. Have you considered expanding your search beyond the confines of the light? Perplexed, the man pondered the passerby's words. He realized the truth in their wisdom. The key could not be found solely within the comfort of the illuminated area. With a newfound determination, he ventured into the darkness, exploring the vast expanse beyond the reach of the street lamp. With each step, the man became more attuned to the subtle sounds of his surroundings, the whispers of the wind and the rustling of leaves. He allowed his senses to guide him, trusting that the key would reveal itself in due time. As he ventured further into the unknown, his heart beating with anticipation, he stumbled upon a small patch of moonlight illuminating the ground. To his astonishment, there lay his lost key, glistening amidst the darkness. Overwhelmed with gratitude, the man held the key in his hands, marveling at the serendipitous encounter and the unexpected guidance that had led him to his treasure. He turned to express his gratitude to the passer-by, but they were nowhere to be found, as if they had vanished into thin air. In that moment, the man realized that the passer-by had been more than just an ordinary stranger. Their timely appearance and insightful words had provided the key not only to his lost physical possession, but also to a deeper understanding within himself. From that day forward, the man carried the memory of the lost key and the compassionate passer-by in his heart. He became more aware of the limitations imposed by his own perceptions and the tendency to seek answers within the familiar and known. He shared his story with others, urging them to venture beyond the confines of their comfort zones, to explore the uncharted territories of life's mysteries. He reminded them that sometimes the answers lie in the darkness, waiting to be discovered through open-mindedness, curiosity, and trust in the unknown. And so the story of the lost key and the passerby continued to inspire generations, encouraging individuals to broaden their horizons, embrace the unfamiliar, and seek answers in unexpected places. May we all have the courage to step into the darkness, knowing that within it lies the potential for illumination and discovery. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe. The Success Seeds.